Hi, welcome back to JTV. Today we're going over all you need to know about cleaning your jewelry. We're going to talk about everything from a quick spot clean to expert equipment. All jewelry needs regular maintenance and cleaning. Just by wearing your jewelry, it naturally gets dirty. Your skin has natural oils that will get on your pieces and kind of build up. Rings tend to get the dirtiest, but everything needs to be cleaned regularly. So we're going to show you a few ways that you can clean your jewelry today, and these methods can be used on most jewelry, but do keep in mind that not all gemstones can take a cleaning product. For instance, pearls and opals are too delicate for most chemicals. We'll talk about what not to do at the end of this video because that's just as important. A quick way to get the sparkle back in your jewelry is a jewelry cleaning pen and a jewelry polishing cloth. This is our jewelry cleaning care kit, and it comes with the Diamond Dazzle Stik, polishing cloths, and a little compact jewelry case that you can take on the go. So this is really easy to use. All you're gonna do is you take the brush, you get it wet, then you're gonna twist the end until you see the cleaner up on the brush. So then you're gonna take your jewelry, brush it on. It's really easy. You can actually see on the brush here all the makeup, sunscreen, hairspray that's coming off just with a few brushes. So once you're done, you want to make sure that you rinse off the brush, rinse off your jewelry, dry it. One tip I will say is that whenever you're rinsing jewelry, make sure you do it in a cup, in a bowl or something. I don't like to put it under running water. Learned from my experience, if you drop your jewelry down the drain, it's not fun to get it back. So, little tip. There, you got all that sparkle back. The polishing cloths are also very easy to use. This is what you want to use to remove tarnish or built up dirt. So, what you do is you take one of your cloths, you take some tarnished jewelry, and very simply, you just rub the cloth on it. Look at that. Can you see the difference? There. That's actually incredible. In, what, 5 seconds of me doing that? You can see how much tarnish has come off on this cloth. These are single use, so you're gonna throw it away and use a new one every time. The Shinery jewelry cleaning gift set is just as easy, but a little bit more thorough. This is 2 items. You get the jewelry wash and a cleaning brush. The Radiance wash is a non-toxic plant-based formula that's really gentle on the skin. And then the Radiance brush is a brush that's specifically designed to clean your jewelry and also be gentle on your pieces at the same time. It's very easy to use. You're gonna take the brush, get it a little wet. Okay, so once you've got your brush wet, you just take the wash, do a couple of pumps there. Then take your piece that needs to be cleaned and work up a lather on the piece with the brush. Then watch as it comes clean. So once you're satisfied, you're just gonna take your jewelry and rinse it off. Again, don't do this over an open drain. It leads to disaster. So once you're satisfied with how clean your jewelry is, you should use the Alchemy Jewelry Sealer. This is gonna prevent the buildup and tarnish on your jewelry pieces. You're just gonna take your jewelry, then spray generously. lay it down, and wait for it to air dry. That's all you have to do. Okay, so a slight step up, we have here the Lasonic Diamond Dazzler. It's a sonic cleaner, which just means it's using vibrations to clean your jewelry. However, it's not an ultrasonic cleaner. We'll get into that in a minute. Okay, so it comes with the machine, the Dazzle Drops, which is the cleaning solution, 2 types of hooks. This one you're gonna use for rings or earrings and maybe some pendants. And then it also has this, which you're gonna use for bracelets. So it has 2 different speeds for different types of gemstones. You're gonna wanna look at the instructions that come in the box because it has a chart for what type of gemstones you need to use on what speed. So I have 2 sapphire rings here that I'm going to clean. So this is gonna go on speed 2. I've filled it up to the max fill line. Then I'm just gonna take the Dazzle Drops, do 4 to 5 drops. So hang your rings on here. So I'm just gonna turn it on and let it clean. So all you have to do is dry them and then good to go. This is gonna be for jewelry that's a little bit dirtier than what you would use the Diamond Dazzle Stik for, but it's super easy to use and very quick. This is an ultrasonic cleaner. It's very similar to what we just used, but bigger and stronger. We have a few different options available. Some smaller, some bigger, some have a steam cleaner attached to them. This is the jewelry cleaning final boss. So if you want to keep your jewelry super clean, pristine all the time, this is your guy. So this is where it's very important not to put certain kinds of jewelry into this machine. Never submit opal, pearl, emerald, tanzanite, coral, turquoise, malachite, or amber into an ultrasonic cleaning machine. Ultrasonic cleaners use a cleaning solution that's diluted with water, and then you use it very similar to the way we used the last machine. We're gonna use this machine today so that you can get a really good view of the way it works. So again, I have a little rack that I'm gonna hang the jewelry on. I'm not gonna get them too close together. Out of an abundance of caution, I am wearing gloves as I take the jewelry out of the machine. The cleaning solution can be a little bit irritating on the skin. So I'm just taking it and I'm gonna dry it off. Then I'm gonna rinse off the cleaning solution in some water. Not all jewelry can be cleaned like this. Don't use any type of cleaning solution on your pearls, opals, or amber as it can cause serious damage. Clean delicate stones with warm water and a polishing cloth and avoid situations where they'll get super dirty. Check the condition of your jewelry before each clean. If your piece has loose prongs, agitating the gemstone can cause it to come out of its setting. If you're cleaning soft stones or metals, make sure that you don't scratch them. Always double check what your jewelry can handle before cleaning. To prevent tarnishing, we recommend that you store your jewelry in one of our Wolf jewelry boxes with luster lock technology. We hope you found this video helpful. Now you know how to keep your jewelry pristine and sparkling forever. Let us know your preferred cleaning method down in the comments. And while you're there, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you don't miss any future videos.